There's still so much to be settled, but it was really interesting how Uber came out immediately after that ruling yesterday. A media call, its chief legal officer, Tony West, outlining what argument they're going to be using going forward. And it's one that we really haven't heard in a while, one that says that they're going to be arguing that it's a technology platform and that its drivers aren't exactly its core business in so many words. So we'll see. That speaks more to investors than it does drivers, which are certainly critical to that platform. Brian, I also want to mention another bit of news that came out this morning. Uber saying that it's going to be doing a $750 million debt raise, and that's just one day after this ruling and just a few months after its $8 billion IPO. The company says that it is unrelated to the California gig economy ruling, but it is a reminder of how many markets Uber is in. It's to raise money for its Careem acquisition in the Middle East. And there are so many uncertainties regarding this company, aside from what it's facing, the regulatory battles that it is facing here, some of the challenges it faces abroad.
Dierdre, Bosa, yeah, that is certainly a big-time ruling as well. And guys, Dierdre, thank you very much. And guys, let's hope when we talk about Uber or Lyft, that these rules, which are designed to make lives better for the drivers, and they all work hard, we've all taken them, but you don't want to make lives better by putting the company out of business because they can no longer afford to take rides. Anybody got a view on Uber? The stock down 26%.
I thought Bill Gurley's comments on Tuesday was a fantastic show. His comments were great, but the comment that stood out to me was about competition. And he talked about how many have spoken that there is no competition for Uber. But even better, and Bill's point was, yes, there was competition with Uber, but they left. They tried it, and they weren't able to model it the way Uber is. I thought that was a fantastic point. What's better than no competition? Having competition that decides this isn't for us. That's why I think
there's
Uber.
Plenty of competition. Bill Gurley, smart guy, rich guy, prides a giant yacht, no problem. But there's lots of competition for Uber. It's called your spouse, your brother, your sister, or a taxi.
Yeah, but
I mean, you know what I'm saying? We lived with that before Uber. I mean, people got around.
But to your earlier question about what this means for the drivers, the law of unintended consequences here is this pushes Uber in the direction they already want to go, which is to get autonomous vehicles and take the drivers out of the equation.
Yep.
That's where Uber becomes profitable, without drivers.